Hi, this is Brianna with 21st Century Leader Video Journal, Week 3, focusing on Standard 3, Excellence in Professional Practice of the International Society for Technology and Education Standards. Excellence in Professional Practice states, educational administrators promote an environment of professional learning and innovation that empowers educators to enhance student learning through the infusion of contemporary technologies and digital resources. This standard is broken up into 4 subcategories, which I'm going to break down individually. Substandard 1 states allocate time, resources, and access to ensure ongoing professional growth in technology fluency and integration. One way I plan to address this is professional development for teachers, specifically in the SAMR model, the substitution, augmentation, modification, redefinition of technology in the classroom, and moving teachers away from using technology as a substitution for what students could be doing on paper and showing them different ways that they can move their students through using technology to actually create a new product. Another way I plan to address this substandard is a professional development website that teachers can access anytime, linking them to articles, resources, videos on the SAMR model, as well as other technology trainings that they can utilize on their own time. Another way would be to work with a district technology coach to address professional development sessions on the SAMR model and other technology topics. Substandard 2 states facilitate and participate in learning communities that stimulate, nurture, and support administrators, faculty, and staff in the study and use of technology. A way that I plan to address this substandard is to allow grade level time to plan lessons that incorporate tech using the SAMR model, allowing them time to collaborate and come up with lesson plans together. Also, part of that teacher professional development website, teachers of the staff can post activities that they have done using tech, lesson plans for other staff to utilize as a resource, and an idea center. And also give them links to different groups that they can join that would be a technology resource for them too. Standard 3 states promote and model effective communication and collaboration among stakeholders using digital age tools. One way that this can be done is to share how technology is being used in the classroom with parents at school functions, as well as find a safe sharing of student creations on school website and social media. Also showcase student creations at board meetings and with stakeholders at functions. Another way to incorporate technology is to use technology when interacting with stakeholders, sending out surveys on websites for parents to access, using social media and having them incorporate technology, newsletters on paper as well as online. Standard 4 states stay abreast of educational research and emerging trends regarding effective use of technology and encourage evaluation of new technologies for their potential to improve student learning. 2 ways I plan to address this is 1, continual research of technology trends in education, making sure that I am continuously researching what is happening in technology in schools and that I have the most current research so that I can make decisions for my school site. As well, second way that I plan to address this is to work with district personnel to understand the goals and outcomes of technology, to align any technology purchases with current research and align to the district and school vision. By applying all of these different strategies, I can promote an environment of professional learning and innovation that helps teachers to enhance student learning using technology in their classroom.